TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. 3 hours left to go in the trading week, and quite a day of volatility we've got so far. S&P's futures positive by 4 points right now at 3102. Quite a spike we just saw, though, folks. From 9 a.m., you were above 3140. Looking at hour-long bars. You put this on a 15-minute, really see the sell-off. Things really escalating. At about noon, you fall from 3115 down to 3080. The news reports. Closures in terms of Apple closing some stores again in states that are seeing resurgence of COVID-19. Florida, one of those states, I believe North Carolina, South Carolina, and Arizona. 11 stores, not a big number, but this is what you talk about when you see spikes with now Florida above 3,000 cases per day. Even if you're back open, even if you're allowed to be back open, whether companies will be back open and whether people will be in those stores, a different story. Nonetheless, S&P's right now above 3,100. We've bounced 20 points off that low that we had about 45 minutes ago. Jumping over to the Dow actually negative 5 points. We went all the way from 26,300 at the open down to 25,700 on the dot. More than a 600-point plunge from the open on the Dow. We've now bounced about 200 points to 25,900. Crude up 43 cents at 39.48. Crude trading with the market as the market sells off around the open. We dipped to a low of 38.51 in crude. Still relatively good price action in crude, just under $40 at 39.46, and gold up $22 at 17.53, climbed as high as 17.60 in gold. Jumping over to the VIX. The VIX elevated a bit, spiked to 34 actually, backed off a bit, now trading at 32.48. As we jump around to some of the other tech stocks moving today, check out the move in Apple from 356.95, an all-time high, now at 350.71. Microsoft shares also seeing an all-time high at 199.84, off a few dollars from there at 196.80. Amazon shares holding up relatively well, up another almost full percent, up $24 at 26.78. And we'll finish it up with Tesla. Tesla shares right at 1,000 right now, 1,035 cents down on the session, but still can't complain with $1,000 for the price of one share of Tesla. Stay tuned, folks. We got Steve Rhodes coming up. He filled in for Larry this morning live at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to play Steve from our 9 a.m. slot this morning. Then Dave White live at 2 o'clock with a power trading hour, and Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 4. Quad witching, S&P rebalancing, volatility. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.